Okay, so you should have completed the Desmos activity at this point. You're working with rational functions, and so I just wanted to do a quick example of how to take those type of rational functions and write them as a single ratio, meaning like a single fraction. So I have an example here, and then what you're looking for is basically you're adding a fraction with something that's not a fraction. So if you remember that, way back, you need to have a common denominator. So I look and see the denominator is x minus 3. And I did make the number, the 5 over 1, just so it does have a denominator. And then I'm going to multiply that fraction, 5 over 1, by the common denominator that I decided, which was x minus 3. Just make sure you multiply it to the top and the bottom. Okay, so then when I do that, this is what I have. I have 5 times x minus 3 on the top, and on the bottom I have x minus 3, so the denominators match. And then really from here, I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. So I distributed in the 5, and the denominators are the same. So I'm just going to add like terms on the top. So we have 5x minus 13 over x minus 3. That is the same rational function as the original problem back over here, just written in a slightly different fashion.